Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually doing a 50-pound denim box unboxing for you guys from Thredup, and my daughter's playing next to me, so it will be loud. I'm just gonna warn you up front. Anyways, I did already cut it open, but I haven't looked at anything yet, just so it would be easy to get into. Let me see. Everyone always asks where this box came from. This one came from Phoenix, Arizona. Most of the time my boxes do come from there because that's closest to my house. I paid $50, I think, for this box, and I did have a $10 credit from a referral that I used to purchase it. So let's jump in. I'm actually hoping there's some denim in my size in here because I need some new jeans. And since I had the credit, I figured I'd go ahead and purchase it. This is a really cute pair of jeans, but it doesn't seem to have a brand in it. So it has like a raw hem. It's kind of more of a skinny though. But I don't see any brand tags. It just says, actually it says GU Jeans on the actual button, and then on here this tag. I've never heard of the brand. I don't know. It doesn't sound like it's anything, so I'll look it up though. Next we have a pair of Gap jeans. This is a size 31 or 12. They're just a pair of black, skinny, high-rise it looks like. Okay, not too exciting. All right, next up we have Uniqlo Jeans. And they're a light wash, skinny distressed jean. Okay, not too exciting yet. All right, this is a pair of overalls. I don't know this brand, but it looks like something worth looking up. So the brand is Dovetail, and it's a Portland brand, and it's a pair of black overalls. They're full length overalls. And they look like a really interesting brand. If I had found these at the bins, I'd probably look them up because of the label. I don't see, what size are they? Did I miss it? Oh, size 8. So I'll definitely look those up. They look interesting. Okay, next up, a pair of denim shorts. It's just Old Navy light wash denim shorts. Next we have a pair of AG. They're white though, and they're the legging ankle super skinny. So I hate selling white jeans first off. Like, I just hate it. They don't move. There's always stains. And AG jeans, I still pick them up if I find them at the bins, but they just don't sell for as much as they used to. I did see one little stain on here, which I might be able to get out, but I don't know about those. Massimo, size 10, high-rise, skinny, dark wash. I haven't said what I'm gonna do with all this stuff yet. Most of it I'm gonna try to sell. If I can sell it for $25 or more, I'll take the time to list it. If I can't find anything in my size, I might keep it. The rest of it I'll either donate or maybe take to Plato's if there's enough stuff that I feel like it's worth a trip there. So next we have a pair of Children's Place bootcut jeans, size 16 petite. That's a very awkward size. Definitely not gonna do anything with those. I actually do have a children's buy-sell trade near me. The problem is that it's not a buy-sell trade. It's just like a consignment store, and they only give you in-store credit, and they give you a very small amount. But I will bring that, and I usually will use the credit to buy stuff for Amelia, so it's fine. I have not heard of this brand either. A lot of new to me brands. This is called Roth Hewn. I don't know how to say that. Hopefully I said that right. It's embroidered. It looks like maybe a straight leg embroidered jean. So those look interesting. I'll look them up for sure. I don't see what size they are. I don't see a size, so I don't know. They look small, maybe like a 4 or 6. All right, next up, a pair of J. Crew Factory, size 27, 28, and it's a skinny jean again. By the way, I've been avoiding buying this jean box for a while from Thredup since I feel like I always get only skinny jeans, and skinny jeans are harder to move nowadays. But like I said, I was hoping I'd find some stuff in here for me, but I feel like I'm just gonna end up with a ton of skinny jeans, which was what I thought would happen, but Hollister, skinny, heavily distressed, really tiny size. I think it said a 24 on there or 25. Here's a pair of denim shorts, and they are like a burgundy color. What's this brand? I don't know the brand. Interesting. It doesn't seem to have a brand on it. Just says 16 on the button. Okay, hopefully it gets better as we go. Sometimes they save the best for last, and sometimes just don't get lucky. This is just a pair of H&M gray skinny jeans. Okay, Amelia wants to come say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
I'm pretty sure quiet.
Oh, you don't. Okay, we got more H&M. This is I don't know what the log or whatever for H&M, if that's a different line or something, but these are a cute style at least. She just wanted to take over the video. All right, so these are the H&M ones. These are size 31. I might try these on. They're a little bigger than I usually wear, but I might just give them a try. I'm gonna set those to the side. All right, next up we have a pair of Zara black jeans. And they look like there's a little puckering here maybe. I don't know, I'll have to get them in better lighting to tell. But they are button fly. And yeah, just kind of a straight leg and raw hem. Okay, I feel like my angle is terrible. Sorry guys, it's really hard to find a place to film in this house because this whole house is so dark. There's no good lighting in this house, so doing my best. Next is a pair of Diva, Old Navy Diva, like Bermuda style shorts. I don't know, those are pretty ugly. And then we have Banana Republic factory boyfriend fit. It's a good size though. It's a size 32. I might try listing those. I don't like listing factory, but for a plus size, I might do it. I don't know this brand, Terra Nova, size large, pair of black denim. It doesn't even feel really like denim. It's actually feels more like slack type material. Okay, let's see. Here's a pair of dark wash. Time and True, so Walmart brand, size 22. It is plus size, but I probably won't list them. I don't know, I'll check comps. They're skinny and they are distressed. Here is another light wash jeans, Wild Fable. So we got Target, size 4. Heavily distressed. Looks like a boyfriend fit. I don't know about that either. I don't know what I'm gonna do with most of this stuff. So far, I haven't got anything that I'm excited to list. A pair of Mud, size 13 jeans. Yeah, very worn in. Too worn to list, really. All right, next we have, oh, finally, Madewell, something I would list. Let's check it for flaws. Let's see, it's the High Riser crop. That's a pretty good style. Kind of a lighter wash. I'll list those for sure. I did not see any flaws on them. Riders by Lee, another pair of white denim. I'm definitely not listing these. They're like a cropped white. No, not gonna list those. These are also not jeans, so I'm not sure why these are in here. Jones, New York, pair of trouser shorts. They're like a pinstripe and they're definitely not denim. All right, Massimo, button fly, shorts, very worn, very worn. Definitely not listing those. Another pair of non-denim. They put a lot of non-denim in this box, actually. This is another Terra Nova, never heard of this brand. So same as before, just a pair of blue trousers, not jeans. Okay, Blank NYC. It's at least a decent brand. It's just a cute little denim mini skirt. I will list that. So far, I think only 2 things that I was gonna list, right guys? I can't remember now. Oh, maybe the overalls at the beginning too. This looks like it could be vintage. BCC Blues is the name of the brand. I don't see, here we go. It looks like vintage and it looks like men's. They're $38.30. I will probably list these because they're nice, like thicker, heavier, you know, denim. So vintage like that usually will sell, and it's a bigger size. Another brand I don't know, Warp and Weft. It feels like a junior's brand. It has that like really stretch material. Size 28-30, and it's like a skinny jean. Okay. Next, Ironheart. Don't know this brand. It's another pair of men's jeans. Here's the size. Size is maybe they're It says Works Inc. clothing department, waist 34, 100% cotton. They feel really thick. I thought they were men's, but maybe they're women's. I can't really tell. I have to look those up. I don't know. I don't know. Another pair of Massimo denim shorts. Probably won't list those. You okay? Wild Fable, really, really worn. Won't list those. Another children's place. Is this the same size? Size 16, probably from the same person. I'm not gonna list those. I might take it to the kids' consignment. Okay, I had to move locations, so back to my normal place down here. I ran out of lighting up there and Amelia needed me, so I had to stop filming for a little bit. I'm also out of breath because I just carried 50 pounds of jeans down the stairs. So anyways, bear with me. I was showing you guys this. I believe it was a pair of, you guys can see better from up here anyway, J. Crew skinny jeans in white. I didn't see any flaws on these, so hopefully I can sell them. Like I said, I don't like selling white denim, but I will if I need to. And it looks like there's not a lot to sell from this bin, or this box, I mean, so. All right, this is interesting. I was looking at this label because I kind of peeked ahead a little bit. I don't recognize this. If you guys know anything about this brand, tell me, but I think it says Beams. It's hard to read because it's like white thread on a white label, but I think it says Beams the Way of Chic. Size 1, so I think it's like a junior's brand, and it has this almost like a paper bag waist. And again, it's not denim. It's definitely more of a trouser pant. Whoever was packing this denim box didn't really know how to categorize it. Anyways, yeah, you know what I'm saying. It's wide leg though, so they're kind of cute. I might try to sell those. I don't know. I'll look up the brand. I don't know anything about that particular brand. Next is a pair of Lawmen jeans. I've had this brand sent to me once before, actually by Thredup. So I've sold it once before. It's okay. It's decent. I wouldn't actually pick it up, but since I have it, I might sell it. It looks like it's a straight leg probably, and it's very, you know, embellished on the pockets there. Probably won't get more than maybe 25 to 30 for those, but these are not my style at all. This is a YMI, which is a junior's brand, like a plaid denim. Again, these are not really denim, but whatever. They must have ran out of denim and just threw some denim-ish looking things in there. Anyways, American Eagle, a little pair of very heavily distressed shorty shorts, and these are size, what size are you? Let's see, here we go. 6, more American Eagle. This is a dark wash, and these are called the high-rise jegging. They are size 2, and they seem to be in really good condition. Next, more junior jeans. This brand I think is from, I want to say maybe, not TJ Maxx, what is it? Kohl's or JCPenney? Anyway, distressed skinny jegging. Alrighty, next we have a pair of 7 for All Mankind. I don't really enjoy selling this brand anymore, but it is something I will sell from this box because it's not horrible, but I won't spend much on it if I'm picking it up. This is size 26. Unfortunately, it has like the printed on right here where it says the style, and I can't read it, but it looks like it's a boot cut. It does have the A pockets, which can sometimes do a little bit better, and they're in great condition. There's no wear, so that's good. More juniors brand. Here's a Wild Fable pair of acid wash distressed denim shorts. More shorts. These ones are No Boundaries, size 7. More juniors. I may take all this junior stuff to Plato's, or I'll just make a pile, and at some point if I go to Plato's I'll bring it. I'm not going to make a special trip there for it, but because I probably won't make much off of any of it. Rock Revival. These, I've never actually found Rock Revival. I do know at one point they were really sought after. I don't know if they're still popular, so I'll have to look up comps. Hello. They remind me of Miss Me jeans, which I have sold a lot of Miss Me jeans, but anyways, these are size 30, and they're the Christina boot, and they also have the very, you know, bedazzled pockets. They're in great condition. I don't see any wear on them, so I'll probably end up selling those, or trying at least. These are BDG mom jeans. These are actually pretty cute, but they do have a flaw. So they're a size 27. They're in pretty good condition with the exception of this right here. So one of the belt loops came off, which created a hole. I'll still probably try to sell those, but I won't get much for them, and I'll have to disclose that flaw, obviously. This is another thing I would set aside for Play-Dohs maybe, because I'm not going to try to sell this. This is new with tags, but it's time and true, so just Walmart. And look, I'll show you. So the original retail price was only $13.44. So obviously I can't price it higher than that, and it's just not worth my time listing things under $25 when I could go for the stuff that, you know, I can get a little bit more out of. It's worth more to me. Okay. These are vintage, I'm pretty sure, but I'm gonna have to look them up. I'm not familiar with this vintage brand. It says Bugle Boy Company jeans, and they're a pair of denim shorts, and they have that really, you know, rigid feel to the denim. So yeah, these are definitely vintage, and they're 100% cotton, made in Mexico. I'm trying to see if there's a size. I think this tag's a little bit ripped, but I think it says a 38, and they definitely look like they're probably plus size. So those are awesome. I actually will try to sell those. Vintage plus size, I will sell. Here is more H&M. There's a lot of H&M okay. Tongue twister, H&M denim in this box, but it's just a pair of skinny jeans. Again, I'm just gonna make a Play-Dohs box with all of this lower end denim and see what they'll take. I'm not expecting anything, but if I could even get a few dollars back for some of this, that would be okay. And I'll turn it into something else. Here is a pair of Denizen by Levi's jean shorts. This is like their lower end line, so I probably will not even try listing those. It's an older style also, so. Route 21, another one I'm not gonna list. Very Y2K vibes though, look at that. It's got like the low rise, little shorty shorts. This just reminds me of Britney Spears for some reason. Okay, next we have more H&M. This is the Log again, and it's a pair of burgundy jeans. They look really stretched out and very worn also. Okay, last thing in the box. We have a pair of American Eagle black jean shorts. I think, no, it's okay. I was gonna say I think someone cut these off themselves, but it is actually the high-rise shorty. So that's what they're supposed to look like. So I will try to sell the American Eagle stuff because that stuff does move for me. Depending on the style, shorts probably like 20 to 25, and then the jeans probably more like 25 to 35. So I actually do pretty good with American Eagle, and I will pick it up when I'm at the bins. But that was everything. So should I count it out? Let's count it out. I'll count how many I'm going to sell and what I'm going to take to Play-Dohs and what I'm not going to do anything with. So, okay, so I have 22 items that I'm going to go ahead and try to list myself. And this is raw numbers. I need to look them over a little bit more closely, check for flaws. I might come across more that have flaws. And then there's a couple I want to look up brands on, but that's my rough guess so far is 22 that I will go ahead and list on eBay and Poshmark. Now I'm going to count what I'm donating real quick. There are 9 items that I'm donating either because they have too many flaws or they're just don't have a value. And then I'm gonna count what I'm taking to Play-Dohs. Okay, 21 items going to Play-Dohs. Honestly, I think most of this they won't accept. They might only take a few items out of here. And again, I'm gonna go through these a little closer and check for flaws before I bring them over, so that I might end up pulling some out. But rough numbers, so 21, that's 30, so 52 items. That's how many items I got in the box were 52 items. And almost half of it I'm going to be able to sell probably. I don't think this was the best box that I've gotten, but not the worst. There's a few things that are definitely going to salvage the box. I don't think I'll make a big profit, to be very honest. I think the best things I got were the Madewell jeans and probably those overalls. I think that's it. So not my favorite box. And hopefully those one pair of jeans work out for me. I forgot to mention that there's one pair of jeans I set aside to try on. So that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.